Hey, good morning, everybody. I'd like to send a shout out to my friends down at the Pool Source in Cranston, Rhode Island. I've been going there for the past 13 years. The longer I've had my pool, the more I get to learn how to use it, and they're really helpful down there. Now, this morning, a person helped me. Guy was great. Sorry I didn't catch your name, but I just want to mention that, not as a trader, but I did stop at Leslie's because I like to bounce back once in a great while to make sure that the water testing is the same. But now this is the second time this is happening at Leslie's, and I'm going to ding them. And if Leslie's, if you're listening, you need to do better. And that's why I'm going to just go to the Pool Source in Cranston from now on. I go to Leslie's, it's supposed to be open. Online says they're open. I go to the door, locked up, lights off. Sign in the window says open at 9. It's 9:45. Where are you people? Very sloppy. So dump Leslie's and go to the Pool Source in Cranston, Rhode Island. They really know how to treat the customer right. And they even load your car for you. Thanks again, guys. Okay, so yesterday my water was crystal clear, and what I did was I brushed it because it's a gunite pool. And today it's a little cloudy, but that's okay because the filter will take that out of there. I put my salt in. I really need 5 bags of salt, but I'm going to start with 4. But I know it's probably almost 6, and I'll put another bag in tomorrow. We'll get the salt readings later today after it dissolves. But I just wanted to show you that this will clear up in a day or two. It's got plenty of sanitizer in it, shock. I'm going to add the rest of the recipe that they suggested, so let's get on to that. Okay, going off the recipe that they gave me to get the pool right in tune is 5 bags of salt, but start with 4 bags, and then check the level in 24 hours. Now, my salt reading was 2110 when I checked it with my meter, and 2190 when they checked it. That's pretty much close and right on. It wants me to add 19 pounds of Balance Pack 100. Divide product into thirds, add each third 6 hours apart. Okay? So wait overnight before I do the next. So I'm actually going to put, I got a 12-pound bag. They want 19 pounds. I've got this Balance Pack left over from last year. There's probably about 4 pounds in there. I'm going to put that in first with a couple of pounds of the other one. And then we're going to wait a little while. So let's get a little bit of this Balance Pack in the pool. Balance Pack 100. We're going to put a little more in. Now I'm going to let that sit 6 hours from now. I'm going to put another half of that bag left, and tomorrow morning I'll put the other half of the bag in, and that should take care of us. But again, shout out to the Pool Source for hooking me up. I really appreciate it. You guys all have a great summer. Take care.